How many people know what this is? This is called a Floyd Rose tremolo system. If I break a string, it's all over. It's all over, goodbye. I gotta talk while I fix this, okay? Yeah, this is floating. Probably, you're absolutely right, yes, but I was getting paid, right. Well, you see, transcribing, I knew that it was helping me musically, so I wasn't too, discouraged. My chops went completely downhill, and when I was building my studio, I didn't play either, and my chops went downhill, and just recently I'm starting to practice again and get them back up. Give me 1 second. Okay, 5 more minutes. Do one more song. We're going to have to stop in a little while, but I'm going to go on again, and I'm going to talk about completely different stuff and play some different music. It actually went a little longer than I thought. Let me tune up. Talking about ear training. There's a lot of things that you can do on your own to develop your ears. Your ears are, without a doubt, to me, this is just all what I think. And I think that they're the most important thing about your career, or about your being a musician, or the development of your ears. Because with your ears comes more of a communication with your instrument. And there are many exercises that you can go about doing to develop your ears. It's just very hard, and it's very tedious, and it takes a lot of discipline and patience to develop your ears. I'd like to do a book someday of some ear training exercises that are real good. Things you can do with your guitar. And transcribing is real good. But if transcribing seems too hard at first, you can make your own tapes of melodies and write them down and listen to them. And there's a lot of good examples you can do with your guitar. Try this next time you guys play, anybody who plays an instrument here. When you're playing, try to sing what you play. Try to sing exactly what you're playing, and then try to play and listen to what's coming out of your amp. Just listen to it, opposed to thinking about doing it. You can kind of get schizophrenic, and kind of hear like another person playing, and deep, black holing. But try singing what you play. Try singing harmony to what you're playing. I'm going to sing a... But you get it to go all over the place. Like I can't do.
You ever transcribe drum parts?
Yeah. In Zappa's book, I did a lot of drum parts from Vince Colaiuta. Almost lost my mind. Okay, well, I guess we'll do one more song or something in this too.
Yeah, before you wrap it up, give us some background.
Sure, sorry. This is Stu Ham on bass, and and if you stick around next set, he's going to do a solo, and he's a very great player. Maybe. Stu was a friend of mine at Berkeley, and we went to school in Boston, and he was in a band.